In this video, I will share with you the best Instant Pots in 2024. Here's a comprehensive look at 5 of the most popular Instant Pots in 2024, along with expert insights and potential user experiences. Number 1. Instant Pot Duo Plus. Features. Known for its user-friendliness, the Duo Plus offers 9 cooking functions, including pressure cook, slow cook, rice cooker, steamer, sauté, yogurt maker, warmer, sterilize, and cake. Expert opinion. Praised for its versatility and affordability, the Duo Plus is ideal for beginners and everyday use. Reviewers highlight its intuitive controls and one-touch presets for effortless cooking. User experience. Imagine whipping up perfectly fluffy rice or tender pulled pork with minimal effort. The Duo Plus user-friendly interface and clear instructions make it a breeze to navigate, even for those new to pressure cooking. Number 2. Instant Pot Duo. Features. This classic model offers 7 core functions: pressure cook, slow cook, rice cooker, steamer, sauté, yogurt maker, and warmer. Expert opinion. Considered the original workhorse of the Instant Pot lineup, the Duo is a reliable and budget-friendly option. While lacking some of the newer features, it excels in core functionalities. User experience. This no-frills option gets the job done. Users can expect delicious results from basic pressure cooking to slow-cooking hearty stews. Be prepared for slightly less automation compared to newer models. Number 3. Instant Pot Rio Wide. Features. This unique offering boasts a wider, 8-inch inner pot, making it perfect for larger families or those who love one-pot meals. It features 7-in-1 functionality similar to the Duo. Expert opinion. The Rio Wide caters to those who need the extra capacity. Reviewers commend its spacious interior and even heat distribution, ideal for larger cuts of meat or batch cooking. User experience. Imagine preparing a complete family meal like a hearty stew with vegetables and potatoes all in one pot. The wider design allows for more flexibility and comfortable maneuvering of ingredients. Number 4. Instant Pot Duo Crisp Ultimate Lid. Features. This innovative model combines the functionalities of a pressure cooker with an air fryer lid. It boasts 11 cooking functions, including air fry, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, and more. Expert opinion. This versatile option caters to those seeking an all-in-one appliance. Reviewers appreciate the ability to pressure cook savory dishes and then switch to the air fryer lid for crispy results. User experience. Enjoy the convenience of pressure cooking succulent pulled pork and then achieving a golden crisp on the surface using the air fryer lid. This eliminates the need for multiple appliances. Number 5. Instant Pot Pro Plus. Features. Considered the top-of-the-line model, the Pro Plus boasts 10-in-1 functionality with a focus on precision cooking. It features a built-in steamer rack, sous vide function, and Wi-Fi connectivity for remote monitoring. Expert opinion. This feature-rich appliance is suited for experienced cooks and those who love exploring culinary techniques. Reviewers highlight its advanced settings, precise temperature control, and smart functionalities. User experience. Unlock a world of culinary possibilities. Imagine achieving restaurant-quality sous vide results or remotely monitoring your pot roast through the Wi-Fi app. Important note, while these reviews provide a general overview, it's crucial to consider your individual needs and preferences before making a purchase.